Hello guys, I am making this video so that I can complete the task of the day, but somehow I am not uploading my video since 2 or 4 days I guess I didn't upload any video, but it does not mean I am not practicing, I am not making videos. I am making videos for practicing daily, but somehow I stopped uploading video so that why I stopped uploading video, not because I don't want to, because of sometimes I forget, sometimes I feel like I don't have time to upload. This is why, because I have started making vlogging for my main channel. This is why I'm a blogger right now. This is why I feel like I don't have time to upload. This is why I am not uploading frequently on this channel, but definitely I am making all of video, and definitely I will going to upload all videos that I have recorded in those days, because it does not mean I am not going to upload video, but somehow I don't feel that I have time. Even before this video I was watching music videos, and somehow I was wasting my time. But yes, it is also important in life, because if you are serious about your career, it does not mean you should be focused on 24 hours. You should focus on entertainment as well, so that your mind get relax. This is why, if I talk about today in the morning, because it's strike today all over the Delhi in the all courts. This is why I was feeling like, okay, it's okay to go to the court late today. So in the same manner, I got up around at 10:30, I guess. Yes, and then my senior called me because the key of the chamber I had, and my senior also had a second pair of the keys, but somehow he forgot when he left his you know home. When he left from his house to the chamber, he forgot the keys, and then he was calling me in the morning that, Rohit, where are you? I forgot the key at my room, and you are also not here. What are you doing, and where are you right now? And I was saying that it's a stag in the court. This is why I am feeling like it's okay to get late at the Saket court. He will be like, now what should I do? I am outside the chamber. When where should I sit? I was like, you should sit. You should sit in the chamber of your friend, and then I am just coming. He was like, okay, no issue. Then I, you know, left from my place to the Saket court around 11:30, I guess. Yes, 11:30, and then I reached there around before the 12 p.m. in the morning. And then, because there was no matter for the day, but somehow I had to submit the file at the filing counter, but I didn't file today because it's strike today. This is why I didn't file today. And then I have to, you know, pay the amount in favor of challan so that it could be settled. So I do the same. I pay the amount, and I can say the challan has been settled after paying the payment. So, and other thing was, there is one concern I shared with my senior, and I was asking what should I do. And my senior guided me. Let me explain with you in easy and simple language so that you can understand what I'm saying. I have a client from West Bengal, and against him 82 proceeding has been issued against him from the Faridabad court. So I am engaging in that matter, and I have filed the stay or cancellation of 82 proceeding against my client. But still, A police officer from the Faridabad police station calling my client again and again and was saying that I have an advocate and I will provide you the advocate in a lesser fees, and please come to the Faridabad and I will make you to get bail. I will you know support you to get a bail from the court. And somehow my client was recording, so he sent me the recording, and I got angry after listening the recording, because police is not, how can I say, the policeman, whoever maybe I didn't even see, he don't know his duty. He doesn't know his duty. He forgot about it. And I was thinking like, how can I take action against him, against policeman? And I, draft a notice so that I will send against the police officer to the SP, DSP today. And another, because of he is saying that I will provide you an advocate in lesser fees. This is why I drafted a letter to send to the BCI so that BCI can take action against him. And I will show you how to, because he is a policeman, he is not a consultant, or somehow he was threatened my client that if you don't come to me, I will make, or I will file, or I will launch a FIR against you. And I was like, without court permission, how he can launch the FIR against my client? Wow, if public is, there are so many people who are suffering from the same reason, because of police don't launch the FIR in serious concern. But now there is no serious concern. I have take the court order as well of stay and cancellation of the proceeding against my client, but still he is saying that before come to, before this date, come to me before the court date, otherwise I will launch a FIR against you. And I was like, I will teach you a lesson so that you can't forget it, because I'm a lawyer. So why would I let him go? I will teach him a lesson so that he can always remember. And now I have prayed that in the notice to the SP and DSP, teach a lesson to his police officer, because of it could not be happen again. Teach a lesson to him in such a manner so that it could not happen again. And now I have also drafted a notice to send to the BCI so that BCI also take action against him. And I have that recording, and I will definitely going to support that recording in the support of drafting. I will send the recording along with draft, along with notice, so that things can be cleared. So now I will teach him the lesson how to deal with client, because client dealing is only depends an advocate, but somehow he is giving him the legal consultant. Okay, he want to become a legal consultant. He forgot at that time when he was talking to my client that he is a policeman, but somehow he was trying to become a legal consultant. So now I will teach him through legal actions how a legal consultant can, you know, become. So it is all about till now, and then after doing the exercise, before I went to the gym, I always, I always, not always, I regularly go to the gym So I went to the gym and I did exercise, and after doing exercise, I was coming to my home, and before home I remembered that I forgot to mention the challans, because I have, you know, there was my challan in the evening court in Delhi, and evening court take place from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and I totally forgot it, and I remembered at 6 p.m. correctly, and then I went to the printer and I get print of the challans, and then I went to the court, and after reaching the court I was filling the slots, and when I was filling that I asked to the ASI, what is your name, and he was saying that, are you an advocate, and where is the party, and I was like, there's I didn't call him. He was like, it can't be settled. I was like, why? He was saying that court officer is not allowing those challan in which there is no party in person. I was like, why? And before me there was a council, there was a council, there was a council who was arguing to the judge, and judge was saying that, council, read the section 206 of the CRPC first and then you can come to me. And he was like, he's an uncle, because along with him, a man was, he was saying that he is the uncle of the owner of that vehicle. So judge was saying that I can't allow any person other than owner. I was like, hey, it is really happening, because mostly I have seen that there is no required of party in person, or there is no required owner in the court. But somehow she was saying, because the court officer was lady, so she was saying that I can't settle your challan if owner is not in the court. Without mentioning my challan, you know, I was listening all of these argument that a council, doing in the court, and after that, judge was saying that if you are think I am doing wrong, make a complaint against me. So after listening this, I you know went out from the court, and then I came to my room after realizing that it is worthless to stay here. So I will definitely going to mention again in another quote. So it is all about today. And now, if I talk about, because I am building a house for me and my village, this is why I have bought 4,000 bricks to build my house and my place today. And I am spending so much money. I don't have any saving right now, because I have already bought so many things for my house, and it's building right now. So it is all about till now, and I'm just going to getting sleep. Bye. Catch you guys tomorrow.